Hey, welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance Video. Today we're going to take a look at how to find the best under-the-counter ice makers. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Sometimes you find yourself needing much more ice than what your refrigerator can produce, and this is where under-the-counter ice makers come in. With a high ice production, under-the-counter ice makers are perfect for the socialite that is always throwing parties. Even if you're not a social butterfly, it's always nice to have extra ice on hand. Hey, that sounded good, didn't it? It's always nice to have extra ice. Anyway, while you might be sold on this appliance, let's go over a few things before running out to the store. There are many different ice makers on the market at many different price points. You could expect to pay around $500 for an entry-level unit, and up to $2,500 for something a bit higher end. Some of the popular manufacturers that produce these appliances are Whirlpool, Scotsman, KitchenAid, and Hojizaki. On average, an ice maker can produce between 25 and 30 pounds of ice in a 24-hour period, and the average ice bin capacity is around 25 pounds. Now, that should be more than enough ice for most people, unless you're trying to make ice sculptures. Some of the higher end options have a clear ice technology that reduces impurities and air bubbles in your ice. Also look for a unit that comes with an inline water filter. This way, you can make sure that you're getting the best quality ice. If you're getting a stainless model, then make sure it's fingerprint resistant, because nothing is worse than having a shiny new appliance that always looks dirty due to fingerprint marks that are a pain to remove. Do you have a small or a uniquely laid out kitchen? It may be a good idea to get a unit with a reversible door. That way, if you need to switch the way the door opens, it can be done quickly and easily. Most of the under-the-counter units come in at 34 inches high, 14 inches wide, and about 25 inches deep. You should always double check your measurements before purchasing to ensure that your new ice maker fits flush with your counter. Now, when making a purchase like this, it is important to think about the longevity of the appliance. In most cases, they will come with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. That is standard in the industry. However, it's not quite as straightforward. When purchasing an ice maker, it's advisable to avoid the lower end models, as it's very difficult to find replacement parts for when you need to fix the unit. Manufacturers tend to view the lower end ice makers as disposable and don't feel it's cost effective to have replacement parts when the unit can be replaced for $500. Therefore, if it breaks down, you're stuck with a unit that you likely cannot get fixed. If you're stepping into the $900 range, or even the $2,500 range, it's more than likely that you'll get much more life out of the ice maker, as you can have it serviced if anything goes wrong. While the market is flooded with companies producing ice makers, it is advisable to buy from a reputable manufacturer like Whirlpool or Scotsman. These manufacturers have been in business for many years and will be there for many years, so when you know that you need service, support will be there. When it comes to under-the-counter ice makers, there will always come a time that it needs to be repaired. Now, this is where we come in at ApplianceVideo.com, because we have thousands of videos showing you how to repair your appliance step by step. So when your ice maker craps out, be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com for all your repair needs. Hey, did this video help you? Go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.